Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel Pharmapedia once again with a new video of the ABC of CBC. In this video we are going to discuss about the right answers of the assessment, the ABC of CBC or the interpretation of CBC. So let's begin the video. These are all the students who attempt this test. So my first question, you are assessing the patient CBC, which lab result below demonstrate the leukopenia. So obviously the WBCs are indicated towards the leukopenia because leuko means leukocytes and penia means obviously there is a decrease in the leukocytes count. So here the right answer is WBC and 20 students give the right answers only. A patient had a CBC with differential test order. You assess the WBC count results and known that this laboratory test will also assess the count of what other type of the WBC. Select all the apply. So in this question, the examiner would only want to ask the WBC differential. So these are the WBC differentials and what cells are actually you may got to know in the WBC differential. So these are the cells that are the neutrophils, lymphocytes, eosinophils, basophils and monocytes. Next question, your patient is a 39-year-old male. What is considered a normal hemoglobin level for this patient? So this is the tricky question and the examiner will only want to ask the hemoglobin level for the adult male. So here you can see the 17 gram per dl. Among these, the 17 gram per dl is the right answer because 11 is decreased and 50% and 35% is not the right answer of this question. Next question, you are assessing the red blood cell index on the CBC. Which part or what part of the index represent the concentration of the hemoglobin on the RBC? So if we are talking about the concentration of hemoglobin on the RBC, so what does it mean? It's the mean cell hemoglobin concentration or mean corpuscle hemoglobin concentration, that is the MCSC. Tell us about the concentration of hemoglobin on the RBC and here you can see the answer is in the question. Next question, a patient complete blood count with differential shows an elevated eosinophils count at 10%. As a nurse, you know the eosinophils play a role in the allergy reaction and parasitic infection because the main job of the eosinophils are to prevent your body from the allergy reactions or the parasitic infections. Which type of the cells have the responsibility to fight against the bacterial infections? You may know the answer and let me know the answer in the comment box. Which result in the CBC reflect the protein found on the red blood cell? Here we are talking about the hemoglobin that help carry oxygen throughout the body. So hemoglobin is the right answer. So the next question is, which of the following is not a cause of erythrocytosis? So the right answer of this question is APO producing tumor and the other three are the cause of erythrocytosis. Erythrocytosis, that means increase in the erythrocytes, and smoking, PV and alcohol ultimately causing the erythrocytosis. You may know this. Interpret the CBC and the right answer of this is A and B. Here the CBC is not visible. Next question, RBC index that measure the size of the RBC and its uniformity. The answer is known because the right answer is not in the option, but the size of the RBC and uniformity, tell me your right answer in the comment box, then I will answer this question. Next question is hypochromic means. Hypochromic, chromic indicate the color part, and the colored part in the RBC index is MCSC, and hypo means decrease, so decrease MCSC is the right answer because color part was reflected by the MCSC also. RBC index used to indicate the type of anemia, because in the RBC we are actually talking about the MCH, MCSC and MCV, and these indices are reflect only the anemia in this case. Type of WBC that show the systemic allergy reaction, and these are the basophils, because the systemic, if we are only emphasize on this word that is a systemic, then the systemic allergy reaction only be shown by basophils. The PFWBC that have the tendency to protect our body by acting as first line defense against infection, so this is the right answer, neutrophils. And this is the question I asked previously, which type of the cells would prevent our body from bacterial infection? So these are the neutrophils. Basically, picture of allergy disorders and parasitic infection in our body can be given by eosinophils. This question is indirectly asked in the previous question, so this is the duplicate question. Second line defense against infection can be given by monocyte, and the first line infection, bacterial infection, can be given by neutrophils. Newborn with sepsis have greater chances of developing the neutropenia. Bacterial infection and viral infection can be ruled out with dash and dash respectively. Bacterial infection can be ruled out with neutrophils, and viral infections can be ruled out with lymphocytes. So the right answer is neutrophils and lymphocyte. Rocky Mountain spotted fever is a viral infection, so the viral infection in our body, which type of the cell would prevent our body from this viral infection? Obviously these are the monocytes and the lymphocyte. Interpret the CBC. Again, the CBC is not shown in the question. You can check the CBC from the quiz. The link is given in the description box, and here you people define your selected options. And cytosis in the end of the cell type indicate increase in the cell count. Increase in the cell count means cytosis, decrease in the cell count means penia. So these are your feedbacks and the concepts, and thank you so much for this type of the feedback.